once said there is no greater agony than bearing an untold story inside you. And therefore, we at Famian profoundly believe that every story deserves to be told and every story deserves to be heard. Hello, good evening, Assalamu alaikum, namaste, sat sri akal, and welcome to our very brand new show, The Spotlight, wherein we are making efforts to bring up encouraged writers in front of you. दुनिया में हमारे पास बहुत सारी कहानियां डेली लिखी जाती हैं. हर घंटे हर मिनट एक नई कहानी बुनी जा रही होती है और कुछ कहानियां हमारे पास चल के आती हैं पब्लिश होने के लिए. उन्हीं कुछ कहानियों में से एक रिसेंटली जो हमारे पास कहानी आई थी पब्लिश होने, वो है मिस त्रिदृष्णा घोष की अ फेडिंग प्रिमरोज. So we welcome Miss Tritrishna Ghosh, a teacher by profession and a writer by instinct. She has contributed n number of poems and stories in both English and Hindi language in numerous magazines and anthologies. She is here to give us some insights of her newly launched book, Fading Primrose. Hello, Tritrishna. How are you doing?
Hello, ma'am. I'm fine. Thank you for introducing me in your show for the very first time.
You're
Uh,
welcome. We're very happy to have you.
okay,
So,
thank you. Same
beginning,
here.
yeah, beginning with the shooting of new questions. Okay. So,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
first thing that we would like to know is, can you tell us something about the book that you have written? Like, what's so special in it?
The book is actually special because it's a story in the form of poem. It's a it's a falling of love. A character which is actually not a character because they are poems, but if it's a journey of love, if you say, because the not the visible invisible characters are actually falling in love here,
Okay,
and they are getting rejected, and they are surviving that rejection and moving on with life,
okay,
and the various facets of love has been shown here in the
okay. That,
form of poems.
that sounds beautiful. So, you basically mean to say that this poem is everything in between love and hatred or rejection, right?
Yes, yes,
Okay, that's
yes.
sounding
The
interesting.
journey, the journey.
Okay, it's the journey of love converting into hate, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
and just surviving that love. But it's not that you don't get your love, you just stop loving that person,
Mhm.
and you have to bear that pain,
That loss.
and it
Oh,
is about the loss and the pain and the beyond
wow.
things that are there.
That's amazing. That sounds amazing. So, Trikrishna, since it's such a beautiful, weaving of words, what really
Yeah.
inspired you to write this book?
Frankly speaking, the love, I have seen many facets of love. Not in, I wouldn't say that it's not in my life. I have seen many people around who are in love. They are getting evolved in love, growing in love. They're
Mhm,
getting rejected in love, and they are moving on in love. And every character, there is a new story to every character,
mhm,
and these chances and the options and the everything circling the love, that has inspired me actually.
That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Like it is a story of many people around you. That means, right?
Yeah, you can say that.
Wow.
It's not that one character I have written, but there are many characters and there are many facets, and there are many points in love. Mane,
Mhm.
it happens na that people, one love story is successful but other is not, and other is getting something optionless. There are so many things happening every day.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I have studied that, I have thought about that, and that has inspired me.
That sounds beautiful. That sounds beautiful. Uh, is there someone whom you have dedicated this book?
Yeah, as it has been written, the book has been dedicated to Shivangi.
Okay. Who's Shivangi?
Shivangi is my muse. Uh, Actually, she is the character. She is not in real person. but I have spent a lot of time with this character, and she
Wow.
has inspired me to write this poem. I thought that if she's a character and she is falling in love, and what her reactions would be, and she has mesmerizingly told me as a character that how you are going to perform if you are in love.
Oh, wow.
That's it.
It's like you have some third galaxy person living with you, right?
Yeah, I have that.
Wow.
Yeah,
So
I'm lucky to have that.
we'll never be able to meet Shivangi, that means.
No, I don't think so.
Oh, we'll only be able to read her, right? We'll never be able to
Yeah,
meet her. Okay. Because she's not a
you will.
person.
Yeah, you will read her in my coming book also.
Okay, okay. Then I'm looking forward to reading that also. Because if Shivangi has been hidden in every walk of yours, that means you'll carry her lifelong now.
Yeah, I
It,
have to carry her lifelong.
yeah, it's always good to have characters so connected to you, right?
Yeah, yeah, it's a different feeling. Whenever,
Exactly.
wherever you go, and
Yeah,
there is the character with you. Maybe people will think you crazy, but you are not crazy. You
yeah,
are not
yeah.
talk. I am not talking to myself at places, but I imagine what would Shivangi do if this is the situation. What would Mani? She is not like me. She is a different character, and whatever situation she is facing, she is doing. I just write it, just
That's
imagining her.
good. Now I remember Munna Bhai, the second part, wherein yeah, I could reconnect now. Sanjay Dutt used to think
Yeah,
that Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi is there, but he was not there. It was just his
yeah,
movie, right? So you also analyze
yeah.
every situation of your life like that, right?
Yeah, but I'm not a schizophrenia patient.
No, I'm not saying that.
I would clarify that.
No, I'm not saying that. He
Yeah.
was also
You
not
are not saying that.
that.
That's the thing.
Yeah. Yeah, he was also. And Sanjay Dutt did not play the role of a patient, but yes, he did have that news, right?
Yeah.
So, coming up to our next question, since we have been talking about fiction, I want to know what's the book that you would want to recommend to the new generation, in fact.
I would recommend, that's my favorite book. It's The Stranger Trilogy. It's a thriller, a
Okay.
romantic thriller by Navanil Chakraborty.
Okay,
He
okay,
is one of my favorite author.
okay. That sounds good. Navneet Chakravarti is, I guess, everyone's favorite. Have you ever met him?
Yeah, I have met him. It's on 2017, 1st September.
You
He
so
has came to
profoundly
Kolkata.
still remember the date, the place. Do you remember the restaurant or cafe where you met him?
नहीं नहीं वो तो एक बुक लॉन्च पे आए थे ना
It was a book
वो जो
launch.
बुक जो होता है हाँ या होता है वो कलकत्ता में आए थे सेंट्रल कलकत्ता में एक मॉल है वहां पर आए थे
Okay.
उसमें एक बुक शॉप थी वहां पर
You remember everything. See, you remember every little
या
detail.
या उस दिन बहुत ट्रेजेडी हो गई थी क्योंकि वो 8 बजे चले गए थे और पूरा कलकत्ता शहर डूब गया था पानी में और
Oh,
मैं घर पहुंची थी 1 और 1:30 बजे पूरा 4 घंटा मैं हल्दीराम में खड़ी थी बस में अंदर It was a day to remember.
but actually, you ended up meeting him, na?
Yeah. I took the signature. He also told me you have a very unique name.
Yeah, actually, you
When he
have a
was
very unique name.
yeah, he told me
Now,
that and he when he was signing
since you're
my
talking
name.
about your name, what does it mean? I'm sure our viewers would love to know what does it mean.
It's actually जो शिव होता है ना
Yeah.
तो शिव का थर्स्ट होता है शिव का 3 जो थर्स्ट होता है
Hmm?
उसके हिसाब से ये त्रितृष्णा है
Oh.
so the thirst the thirst for but in the modern appreciation it has been overgrown like the thirst for knowledge thirst for
Mhm.
love and thirst for goodness like this
Very good.
I've interpreted like this,
Yeah, that's
but
why
in the
you turned a
mythological,
writer. Because you have that thirst for everything, right?
not for everything,
No,
not for
not for
everything.
everything, but a writer has that instinct of having known everything that's happening around, isn't it? If I'm not wrong.
A, yeah, good observer.
Yeah, exactly,
That's
exactly.
that's the best quality in a writer. You have
Yeah,
to observe what is
yeah.
happening.
So that sounds amazing. We have already have a book recommendation for our newbie writers.
Yeah.
Okay, Ritusha, just picturize this. You feel
Yeah.
inspired, you feel uninspired, and you have just sat at the computer for like hours without actually conquering any thoughts on the paper, and without any conquering any words on the paper, you could not have been able to write anything. So, how do you get your creativity flowing?
This happens to me actually very often. That's I would say that after writing the book,
Hmm?
I have not written a single line. I'm taking a break. I don't know what has happened to me. I have not written. So these times, what I do, I actually dial a number that is of my best friend Deboshmita,
Okay.
and she gives me all sorts of things like prompts and whatever she feels that can encourage me. She gives me situations to write, and she talks me out of it,
Okay.
that you have to write, and she's a very big inspiration in my book also, and she is my first reader also. Whatever I write, however I write, one line, two line, three lines, anything I write, I always send it to her for her comments, and whenever she says that it's okay, it's good, you have to change it or you have to do this, that time I post it, or I just it's okay.
She is your go-to
And
critic,
you,
that means.
yeah, yeah, she is.
That is amazing. That's amazing. So, Dev Smita, thank you. Thank you so much if you're listening for being that inspiration and for giving that acknowledgement to Trideshna whenever she needs it. Thank you so much, Dev Smita. Thank you for being
Yeah, she
there for her.
deserves it. Yeah, she deserves it. And you
Yeah.
will be surprised to know she's actually a student of mine,
Oh, wow.
and she is only 16 years old.
Don't tell me. I'm actually surprised. Oh, wow.
Yeah, she is only 16 years old.
That's amazing. Dev Smita, you're doing a great job. Thank you. Seriously, thank
She's
you.
a
We need
great
more people
listener.
like you, Dev Smita. Thank you so much.
Yeah, she listens. She is a very good listener. She listens to all my problems, all my this writing problems, and she always comes up with solutions.
People who actually listen to you are very rare. Very rare now.
Yeah, very rare, very rare.
Okay, that counts a good person in our life now. I would love to
Yeah.
meet her or at least talk to her someday if I can. Yeah. So, moving on to our next question. This one's, I guess everyone would love to know. Do you ever hide secrets in your book? And if you do, like how many people do you think will be able to trace it?
Only two-person will yeah, I hide secrets, and only two-person will relate to that. One is Deboshmita, of course,
Okay.
and another one is also Arnabi. She's also my student,
Okay.
and they both of them know everything about my life, mostly everything. So both of them will know whom I am dedicating, what I am writing, whether I am creating a pseudonym, I am using acrostic something. So they will know. This both person are, और कोई किसी को पता नहीं है. और हाँ, अगर वो पर्सन जिसके बारे में मैं लिख रही हूँ, अगर कभी उसके पास ये बुक पहुंच जाए, तो शायद उससे पता चले कि हाँ, ये तो मेरा ही नाम है, कि ये वाला है. ये
Okay.
चांसेस बहुत कम होती है.
Rare, but but possible.
बट पॉसिबल। पर ऐसा नहीं है कि इसीलिए मैं सीडोनाम यूज करती हूँ, क्योंकि असल नाम तो मैं नहीं दे सकती, फिर परमिशन लेना पड़ेगा।
Definitely.
तो ठीक है, या
Never mind, writers have, ये भी talent होता है to hide things in your writing और सिर्फ दो तीन लोगों को पता चल पाए, and it's a
हाँ
different kind of
हाँ,
passion also.
या ये अच्छा लगता है।
Right? सीधे सीधे
या
डेडिकेट तो सब कर देते हैं, आप ढूंढ के दिखाओ.
हाँ, ऐसा होता है ना, कोई पसंद नहीं करता। ऐसा भी होता है कि जिसके बारे में लिख रहे हो वो शायद पसंद नहीं करे, या ऐसा कि
Exactly.
पब्लिक हो जाए मेरा नाम, कि ऐसा आप क्यों लिख रहे हो, तो थोड़ा सा इशू भी होता है। तो ठीक है, चलो ऐसे मेरे मेरे में रहे और कोई दो तीन लोग जाने, तो मैं तो जानती हूँ ना मैं किसके बारे में लिख रही हूँ।
Yeah, right.
ऑल कूल।
That is all that matters. बाकी किसी को पता न चले क्या फर्क पड़ता है.
हाँ, क्या फर्क पड़ता है, मैंने तो लिख दिया, उसको
Right,
तो इमॉर्टल
exactly.
कर ही दिया मैंने।
हाँ. Okay. Do you have a writing space? एक पर्टिकुलर
Yeah, I
जगह
have.
जहाँ बैठते ही आइडियाज आ जाते हो.
ऐसा नहीं है, मुझे एक साइलेंट सा रूम चाहिए, कोई डिस्टर्ब ना करे। अपने ही रूम पे लिखती हूँ या मम्मी पापा के रूम पे जाती हूँ, ऐसा नहीं है। तो ये दोनों जगह ही मुझे सूट करती है। तो
Okay.
द मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग इज दैट आई डोंट वांट टू गेट डिस्टर्ब्ड व्हेन आई एम राइटिंग। It's a complete silent room. I want to have a speedy internet, and I will and I will write, just write. I have some books I will read, and the ideas clicks like this, and I will just copy it. And when I'm sleeping, sometimes it comes that when I'm sleeping at 2 a.m. or something, I'm a late sleeper. So ideas comes, so I do whatever that I voice record it for the next morning,
Okay.
and
Okay.
that time I can't write na, so
Right,
I
exactly.
voice
I was
record
just
it.
thinking कि रात में
तो
उठ के कैसे लिखती होंगी.
तो वॉइस रिकॉर्ड कर लेती हूँ, फिर उसको सुबह ठीक ठाक करके
That's
एडिट
smart.
करके फिर
That is smart
या
actually.
हाँ,
Because I was
क्योंकि
just thinking.
आइडिया एक बार चला जाए कि उसके ऊपर सो जाओ, तो
हो
गया,
गया.
वो तो दिमाग से गया।
हो गया.
हाँ
फिर वो नींद का हो गया.
हाँ, नींद का हो गया।
Correct. So, do you have any writing rituals? Like आज 4 quotes
हाँ,
लिखने ही है चाहे जो हो जाए, ऐसा वाला कुछ.
नहीं नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। जब आता है तब मैं लिखती हूँ, ऐसा नहीं है। आप सुन के हैरान हो जाओगे। जब मैंने फैज सर से बात की थी, हमारे जो पब्लिशर है, जब उनसे बात की थी तब मेरे पास सिर्फ 30 पोएम्स थी। तो जब उनसे बात, हाँ, तो 30 पोएम्स मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट था। मैंने उन्हें भेजा था कि ये देख लीजिए कि ये वो पब्लिशिंग है या कुछ है। तो उन्होंने कहा था कि आप और कुछ थोड़ा सा पोएम्स इसको मैंने कुछ लिखे, या ठीक है इसमें भी हो जाएगा। तो मैंने सिर्फ 15 दिन में और 33 पोएम्स लिखे थे। तो एक एक दिन में 5-6 ऐसा होता था कि मुझे ऐसा नहीं है, तो ये तो मेंटल नहीं है ना कि आपको चले आएगा। तो ऐसे आइडियाज होते, तो हर दिन देवस्मिता मुझे नच करती थी फोन करके, तो तुम लिख रही हो ना, लिख रही हो ना, लिख रही हो ना, आज कितना हुआ, 5 हो गया, 6 हो गया, तो आज मुझे भेजो, आज तुम्हें लिखना ही है। ठीक है, तो ऐसा होता था। तो मैंने बहुत कम टाइम में अपनी बुक खत्म की है, बहुत कम टाइम में।
That's good. मतलब you started long back, but वो खत्म एकदम से हुई है.
हाँ,
Right?
क्योंकि 30 पॉइंट्स मैंने लिखा है
हम्म.
अप्रैल, इट्स मार्च 25 से जून तक मैंने 30 पॉइंट्स लिखे, मार्च से जून तक। और फिर एक महीने से भी कम टाइम में मैंने और 33 पॉइंट्स लिखे हैं।
Win-win
इट्स
situation.
अबाउट, yeah, it's always about the mood, you know, mane, it's always about the mood. How are you that day? You are very happy, you will write all so much poems. You are depressed, so you can't write anything that day.
Correct. Correct. So moving on to our next question. One more reading question I would like to ask is that have you read anything that made you think differently about fiction?
I would say I have read many books. Actually, if you say it's a ritual kind of thing, I actually read 2 to 3 books in a day.
You read 2 to
It's
3 books
maybe,
in a day?
Yeah, it's not, maybe people will think it's not feasible, but it
Yeah.
is feasible. I actually read in 5 hours, I read a 300-page novel. So I read very speedily, and I have a lots of books collection. And you will be surprised to know that this is my only addiction. I
Okay.
buy books. If I don't have books to read, I will go mad. So,
So,
yeah,
how many books in total do you have?
like 2000 on an approx.
You, you don't have an addiction, you have a mini library at home, which we would love
Yeah,
to see someday,
there.
right?
Yeah,
You have a mini library at home.
yeah.
Okay.
And I read three languages: Hindi, Bengali, English, and I have specially I have done a course in French
Okay.
to read French literature, which is very rich.
Oh,
To
yeah.
just to read the books.
Oh, wow.
I
Just to
have
read
completed a
learn
degree
French.
in. Yeah, yeah. I have completed a degree.
Hats off, to Krishna. Hats off. How many other degrees do you have?
Many. It's uncountable.
You you lost count?
Yeah, I lost count.
See, see, that's the passion of a person who really wants to study. कुछ
Yeah,
भी
I'm quite a reader.
right? कुछ भी
हाँ,
मिल जाए but
पढ़ना है, पढ़ना
पढ़ना
है.
है. The last question that I would want to ask is your favorite piece of work from among your writings.
That would be Parted. Uh, that
Uh,
is my favorite one. It's
from
the most big poem,
okay, the from the
Fading
Fading
Primrose.
Primrose. Okay, that's amazing.
Yeah, yeah.
Could you please read an excerpt from it? Just 2 to 4 lines from it. I think you have the book, right?
Yeah, here is the book. I have got my copy, author's copy.
Wow, this looks amazing.
Yeah,
And
it is.
how do you feel seeing that name on the cover?
It's an amazing feeling actually. It's out of the world feeling. I can't describe anything more. ऐसा है कि कोविड की वजह से मैं बुक्स तो खरीदती हूँ मगर 2-3 महीने में रख देती हूँ. सुनने में बड़ा अजीब लगता है मगर मैं उसको सैनिटाइज करके 2-3 महीने रखती हूँ फिर मैं पढ़ती हूँ. दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम दैट आई हैवंट रेड नवनील's new book. I have ordered it. It has come to my house, but it is there in my. I have kept. But this book, I have taken it, I sanitized it, and I have hold it first. So that's the feeling you have.
Right, right. It must be a different kind of feeling holding your own book, right?
Yeah, yeah. It's always. It's always.
That's amazing.
Okay, let me read it. 20th November. It was the apocalyptic day. The blissful exuberance was kissing my entire self from the day before. For the first time, my heart was keeping a bit more. The thought of a new beginning stimulated my abrupt life. Wrapping up sleep from my dreamy eyes and smile from my cheeks, I started my voyage to meet her. My bewitching blushes were evident on my love-stirred soul. The distance between her and mine that day seemed an eternity to me. She was there, yes, at the gate, like a fresh carnation. All my agony of being away from her vanished like a puff.
I have goosebumps, Sri Krishna. Seriously, and I have tears in my eyes. I wish I could show you. But wow, what is it? How can people write so beautiful?
It's the feeling of love.
And love is always beautiful, right?
Yeah. Yeah, to some and to not to some. I don't know.
Oh, that's a bitter truth.
Yeah, it's a bit true.
It's a bitter truth. It cannot be always beautiful.
Yeah, at times it hurts. It's actually very much hurt. It hurts.
It's a happy hurting feeling, right?
वो तो पता नहीं है. हाँ, ये डिपेंड करता है कि कितना हार्ट हो रहा है, हार्ट खुशी से हो रहा है या दर्द से हो रहा है।
And how you're
कोई
perceiving it, right?
या कोई
Percep-
उसमें ग्रो कर लेता है
Hmm.
और कोई उसमें ही अटक जाता है, ऐसा होता है।
Wow, that's so good. Are you also crying?
व्हाट?
Are you also crying?
नो no, I'm not crying. I've
Okay.
cried when I've written this all these things. I've cried that time too much. तो
हाँ तो
अभी तो
आदत हो गई
अभी
है.
ठीक है। हाँ, अभी आदत हो गई है।
Okay. Okay. So moving on to the last segment of the session, I'm going to ask you
Okay.
some quick, fun questions. First things
Okay.
first, have you ever Googled yourself?
No, I haven't. But since
Seriously?
the launch of the book, I have
You
two to
have.
three times. I have. Yeah.
Okay.
How is the book looking and
Mhm.
what is showing in the Google about me, about the book? That's I have done.
उससे पहले कभी नहीं करा.
नहीं, कभी नहीं करा। मुझे लगा ही नहीं कि मैं कोई सेलिब्रिटी हूँ या कुछ है कि मुझे गूगल करना चाहिए। मैं कौन हूँ भाई?
Exactly. हम भी कोई नहीं है. But I have searched myself ample of times. तो शायद कोई हूँ मैं.
नहीं, 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 अभी तो कभी नहीं किया।
I have searched myself a lot and found nothing.
ओके।
See, but वो एक अलग फीलिंग होती है ना, even if you see your name on Google. ठीक है, कोई कोई पर्सन
हाँ,
होगा उनमें, हनी doesn't matter, but ठीक है, अपना नाम है,
हाँ,
and I'm
ठीक है।
proud of it.
हाँ, और मुझे पता भी था कि मैं अगर गूगल करूँ तो कोई नहीं आएगा क्योंकि मेरा नाम इतना अनकॉमन है कि इसका तो कोई हो ही नहीं सकता। क्योंकि सारा मैंने पूरी जिंदगी मुझे सुननी ही पड़ी है। ये एक बात तो मुझे एकदम डेफिनेटली सुननी पड़ी है कि आपका नाम कैसा है, ये इसका मतलब क्या है। मैंने फर्स्ट जाओ कहीं पे तो फिर नाम का तो चलता है, 15 मिनट उसी पे चलता है। क्लास में जाओ, कॉलेज में जाओ, यूनिवर्सिटी में जाओ, किसी दुकान पे जाओ, प्रोफेशनल बैंक में जाओ, अकाउंट खोलने जाओ, तो उसमें भी अकाउंटेंट पूछ लेता है कि हाँ ये क्या है, आपका नाम का मतलब क्या है।
Exactly. See, because it's a difficult name and it's very unique. It's so unique that we heard it for the first time when we received the manuscript. And we were like,
या
शायद हम लोग गलत होंगे. हम किसी और दुनिया में रह रहे थे, ये नाम कॉमन होगा. But नहीं, it's very unique.
नहीं,
It's
थैंक यू।
quite unique. It's quite beautiful after knowing the meaning of it. It's quite beautiful, I
थैंक यू।
must say.
थैंक यू।
So now I'm going to ask you some quick rapid fire questions, and they are either or questions. You have to choose among the two,
ओ,
and whatever you choose, you'll have to tell a reason also. कि वो क्यों choose करा. Okay?
अच्छा, ट्राई, आई विल ट्राई।
Definitely. And I'll go slow. Don't worry, I'll go slow. Okay?
ओके, ओके।
So, movies or books?
ऑफ कोर्स बुक्स,
Why? That's
बिकॉज
stupid
इट्स
of
माय
me to ask.
इट्स माय लाइफ, इट्स
Yeah.
माय लाइफ।
That's what I'm saying. After knowing everything about you, it's stupid of me to ask why books.
या नो नो, नॉट स्टूपिड, ऐसा होता है तो मुझे अच्छा लगता है बुक्स पढ़ना, बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
Okay. In your about author section segment, I read that you like watching series. So books or series?
बुक्स।
Again, books. Okay. तो वो पास
हाँ,
टाइम
क्योंकि
है.
सीरीज बेस, हाँ सीरीज बेस भी होता है बुक्स पे ही।
Point. That is a smart answer again. Yeah. ज्यादातर सीरीज बुक्स पे बेस्ड होती है.
हाँ, हाँ,
Correct.
तो मैं सीरीज में देख लेती हूँ कि बुक्स में कितना सिमिलर है यहाँ पर कितना दिखाया जा रहा है कि सिमिलर है या है, ये देख लेती हूँ, चेक कर
अच्छा,
लेती हूँ।
one more thing. What do you think are better, book adaptations of the movies, या the novels
या
that are written?
of course novels, the vivid details or everything, the depiction, the hard work, everything is done, it's commendable actually. And you can't
Agree.
depict you can't depict a movie like that from the novel, a 600 300 page novel, you are showing it in 3 hours. It's not justice, I think so. I mean, it's my personal opinion, of course.
Correct. I absolutely agree to it because I've observed this thing being a good reader. शायद इतने अच्छे नहीं होंगे because you read 3 books in a day and I read 1 book in 3 months.
नहीं
तो
नहीं, ऐसा
कंपैरिजन तो नहीं
नहीं
है
है।
but हाँ I
नहीं नहीं,
prefer books, prefer novels over movies anytime.
तो नहीं है।
Yeah, since you have been reading all along, um, Hogwarts or GOT, Game of Thrones, what would you prefer?
हॉगवर्ट्स,
Hogwarts anytime. You don't want to go to
एनी
the
टाइम।
place where GOT was shot, right?
नहीं नहीं, मुझे नहीं जाना वहां पर।
That's good. Even I would love to visit Hogwarts anytime, any day of the year.
या द प्लेटफॉर्म 9 3/4।
Absolutely. काश वो सच होता, काश.
काश।
ट्रॉली
वही,
लेके मैंने भी भिड़ जाना था.
हाँ वही, वहां पर घुसना ही है।
Gosh. Anyways, coming back to reality, staying logical or being creative?
Being creative.
Because agreed now that creativity involves a certain amount of illogical things.
हाँ, लॉजिकल थिंग्स होता है, पर क्रिएटिविटी मुझे रियलिटी से दूर रखता है। रियलिटी जो हर्ष होती है,
Correct?
इट्स एक्चुअली, ये एक्चुअली इट पैसिफाइज मी द क्रिएटिविटी।
Agreed. Absolutely
इसमें कुछ भी
agreed.
कर दो, तुम्हें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, दुख नहीं है।
Right.
Yeah,
So, staying creative and being in the fictional world is always better.
yeah, it's always the number one option.
Yeah, fairy tales are always soothing.
Yeah, yeah, you can say that.
Okay, okay. Now I would ask you some would you rather questions. Okay. Um, would you rather be feared by all or loved by all?
अच्छा तो लगता है कि सब कोई प्यार करे, loved by all, पर
Uh,
इतनी आसानी से मिलता तो नहीं है ना।
exactly. So, feared by all.
अगर इसे खरीद, loved by all।
Loved by all. Okay. Quite logical. हाँ. चलता है मतलब.
सब कोई मुझे प्यार करे, अच्छा ही लगता है।
Exactly. सब वही चाहते हैं. कोई नहीं चाहता कि सब
हाँ,
मेरे से डरे.
पर मिलता नहीं है।
Point. Point to be
हाँ,
noted.
पर मिलता नहीं है, मगर
Absolutely.
मिलता नहीं है बहुत आसानी से, क्योंकि इसको तो आप मार्केट से खरीद नहीं सकते ना।
No. Everything is not saleable.
Yeah, and buyable also.
Exactly. Exactly.
It's not a word actually, buyable, but
But
you can buy it.
yeah, you
can buy
can
it.
never buy it,
It's
right?
a feeling. It's
Yeah.
yeah.
Anyways, would you rather live in a haunted mansion or an unhaunted cottage?
Unhaunted cottage.
छोटा है बट डरावना नहीं होना
क्योंकि अगर
चाहिए.
भूत आ गया, हाँ डरावना नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि आ गया पता नहीं, ऐसे कुछ हो गया। अभी कुछ दिन पहले मैं द हॉन्टेड ब्लाई मैनर देख रही थी नेटफ्लिक्स में, तो हॉन्टेड बहुत ज्यादा हॉन्टेड होता है। तो नहीं चाहिए मुझे इतना हॉन्टेड।
Haunted movies are
हॉन्टेड के बारे में सोचूं या लिखूं? या
नहीं तो डर के रहेंगे हमेशा. एंड सेकेंडली योर नाइट आउल, तो
हाँ,
हॉन्टेड तो बिल्कुल नहीं चलता है.
या नहीं हॉन्टेड एकदम नहीं चलेगा।
Okay. Would you rather be quarantined with your favorite novelist or with unlimited Wi-Fi? Because you said you want internet to write.
या अनलिमिटेड वाईफाई।
Unlimited favorite novelist जाए.
हाँ, क्योंकि वो तो देखो, यह तो नहीं है कि मेरे घर पे आकर नौबनील रहने लगे, तो वो तो नौबनील ही रहेगा ना, वो awkwardness तो रहेगा ही। इससे अच्छा है कि मैं उसको देखूं दूर से।
See, that's reality.
the nervousness, yeah, that's the reality. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि अनरियल कुछ नहीं चाहिए कि वो मेरे घर पे आ जाए, ठीक है, पर उसको ऐसा ऑकवर्डनेस रहेगा, नर्वसनेस रहेगा, फिर वो 2 दिन बाद चले भी जाएगा, तो उससे अच्छा है कि मेरे पास हाई स्पीड इंटरनेट रहे, मैं उसको देखती रहूं.
That's smart. मजा आया ये सुन के मेरे को. Okay, last one. Would you lose all your money or lose all the pictures that you have ever taken? Now, don't tell me you have never taken pictures.
Yeah, I haven't.
See, oh, now I know the
पिक्चर
answer.
नहीं क्लिक करती.
Now I know the answer
I
that
don't click
yeah,
picture.
you would want to save the money. क्योंकि pictures है ही नहीं.
नहीं, नहीं, मनी भी कुछ नहीं है खास मेरे पास. मैं तो सब उड़ा देती हूँ बुक्स खरीदने में.
हाँ,
मैं आपको सुनकर अजीब लगेगा, पता नहीं, अजीब भी नहीं लग सकता है आफ्टर इतना बड़ा इंटरव्यू, कि मैं अर्न भी करती हूँ बुक्स खरीदने के लिए, मैं नौकरी भी जाती हूँ बुक्स खरीदने के लिए.
that is good. That's really good because seriously, I also wish to have a mini library. लेकिन मम्मा नहीं करने देती है. She doesn't want me to buy books. कहती नहीं पैसे वेस्ट कर रही हूँ and I keep telling her कि वो पैसा वेस्टेज नहीं, it's an investment for me. लेकिन नहीं.
Yeah, it's really a good investment.
That's why they say
ऐसा होता है ना.
reading is a luxury. That's
Yeah,
the
yeah,
reason why they say.
yeah.
Correct. Anyways, now we know what Pritishna is all about. We know who is Shivangi. We know everything now.
Oh,
Yeah.
so all secrets are out.
Yeah, all secrets are out now.
Yeah.
Okay, last thing that I would want you to do is that I'll speak a tongue twister. You have to repeat that
Okay.
5 times. And if you do
Can I
that,
try?
we'll be very happy. We'll not be able to give you anything, but हम खुश जरूर हो सकते हैं.
Okay, आपके खुशी के लिए ट्राई
हाँ
करेंगे.
हाँ प्लीज. पहले हम सही बोल ले. तब तो बात है.
Okay. हाँ.
Okay. If you notice this notice, you'll notice that this notice is not worth noticing.
याद ही नहीं रह रहा है, तो
Okay.
अगर याद रहता है तो और एक बार.
हाँ एक बार और. If you notice this notice, you'll notice that this notice is not worth noticing.
If you notice this notice, you will notice this notice is not notice worthy.
No, you spoke it wrong. This is not going
इतना
right.
सारा नोटिस है.
अच्छा, tell me how many times did I speak notice?
5, I think.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5. That was correct. इसके लिए हम खुश हुए.
चलो हम भी खुश हैं कि आप खुश हुए.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah,
So that was it. It was fun talking to you. Thank you for giving us so much of time. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
And we're looking forward to, publishing more of your books because obviously we want to read. And
Yeah.
keep shining, keep doing more, and see you soon then. Okay?
Thank you for
Oh.
hosting such a lovely and comforting me, because you were there. I can, without nervousness, I have given this interview. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.